Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to change and customize your download settings on Spotify. So let's begin. First of all, open your Spotify application. Here on the top left, click on this profile icon. Tap on settings and privacy. So here there's the option of data saving and offline. Select it. So here there are different options of downloading and saving of the music. So you can customize the things here. Here there's the option of remove all downloads and clear cache. And here you can see the option of downloads over cellular, audio only downloads for video podcast, audio only streaming for video podcast. You can turn on and turn off as you like. So this is the way how you customize your download settings on Spotify. Thank you for watching.